What's up home slice, Lucas here. In this video I am going to teach you guys how to learn the double hand method and why it will be the best thing you have ever learned since the macaco. Pay attention. By the end of this video you will learn how to do the double hand method and how to utilize the G-rated double hand method to make learning front flips, Webster's, Arabian, any forward turning flips an easy squeezy breeze thanks to that G-rated double hand method. G-rated. But you gotta focus. All right, bring it in. Get out of here. Watch and learn. It'll open up your world to a whole world of possibilities. I'm serious. Any frontward turning flip, hucking a front flip, a Webster, an Arabian, and you just smack on your back, smack on your butt. Now it's either, forget that, I'm giving up, you know? Or you keep smacking on your butt until you can't walk anymore from the pain. Let me show you guys how to avoid that with the double hand method, G-rated. So what the double hand method does is it breaks down the complicated, not so complicated, front flip into a more elegant movement. I'm just being over dramatic. Let me just show you how it just works. It's a hack that'll allow you to go through the motion of a front flip, a Webster, any flip you're trying to do forward without smacking your butt on the ground and guiding yourself through it, still getting that same momentum feeling so that when you lighten up the double hand method and just go to normally throwing the flip, it'll be like nothing changed. It builds you the confidence, it builds you the muscle memory necessary to do the flip without actually doing the flip. It's a hack, baby. How to determine how to do the double hand method. The first thing you want to do is actually do a front roll on the ground. So you do a front roll. For me, I like to roll on my right shoulder. So from the knees, you see I rolled on my right shoulder like that. Because I like to roll on that right shoulder, I'm gonna use my right arm for this double hand method as the hand that goes above the head. Now this hand, fingers face inwards, okay? Fingers don't face outwards like this. They don't face out to the side. They face inwards towards the belly button like this, okay? Around like that. Boom. Inwards like this. Now before you go over this arm or do anything rash, what I want you to do is just walk around it like this. Crouch down, walk around it like this till you come to the front. You see that? Crouch down, shoulder you like to roll over, you use that hand, fingers facing in, then you walk around it. Boom. Next thing you're gonna do, same position, squat down, hand like this. Now instead of going around it like that simple 360, you wanna start to kind of jump, and you can still go on an angle like this. Watch, ready? Jump around. Let me show you from a frontwards perspective. So hand in, I'm gonna kind of jump around to the side. See that? I didn't go over, I just jumped around, okay? And I have underwear on, all right? So don't freak out. Then from here, we're still just working on this hand. What you wanna do is go a little bit more over so, okay? Boom. Forward position. Boom. And now from here, we can start to utilize the other hand. What we can do is you wanna take that other hand now, right? And what I want you to do is place it down to the side. Key, very important point that you need to keep in mind. Whether it be the arm above the head or the arm to the side, you never want to lock them out. Don't lock them out like this, because if you do mess up or if you get weird, you don't want to jam your arm or like dislocate your elbow, okay? You want to be able to catch the ground, you know what I'm saying? At any given moment. So for this next step, we have one arm down to the side and this arm goes over. Now, watch carefully how this arm will catch you before your butt hits, all right? So I'm gonna go up, over, catch, right to the side. So I can go a little faster now. Catch. Watch. You've done it, all right? That's basically the double hand method. It might seem stupid now. You might be like, okay, great, I can do that, but what's that gonna do for me when it comes to the front flip, the Webster, the Arabian? Just think about it, use your brain. Think about the Webster, for example. Trying to huck a Webster G-rated raw, think about it. Without utilizing this method, man, bam, to the back if you undershoot it. Or if you overshoot it, who even knows? Now with the double hand method, what it allows you to do is feel the ground, spot the ground, be able to feel the ground, and then catch yourself so you don't slam your butt into the ground when you go all the way around. This method is very useful when you start to lighten up with it, okay? You just use it as a guide. You start to increase the speed of which you attack the move, whether it be a front flip, Webster, Arabian, yada, 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 any frontward learning move. You begin to attack it faster and faster until you're really light on these hands and you feel like you're barely even touching the ground. At that point, you have built the confidence and the knowledge, the muscle memory required to do that move. And what you do is you remove the hands until they're not even there. And then you basically go for a full send at that point. You will have the muscle memory, the skill required to do the move because you have learned that confidence through the double hand method. Best move ever since the macaco. Double hand method, baby. G-rated ver, G-rated ver. All right, there she blows. Double hand method, G-rated. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this tutorial helps you all out. Remember to practice safely. Do so at your own risk when utilizing the double hand method or any other method for that matter. But go slow and train smart. Now, very important, it helps a ton to have good mobility and good flexibility and honestly good overall fitness when it comes to doing any flips. Be sure you can do a deep squat all the way down without impinging anything. Also, be sure you have the arm mobility and the arm strength to catch yourself, do your push-ups, all right? With that being said, if you're interested in a fitness program, check out onlykindsfitness.com. We have the 1-month plan. That's a 1-month fast back into shape, accelerating you past the level you were at. Fitness program can be done all in home with minimal to no equipment necessary. Right now currently, I'm doing Bodyweight Beast 2.0. If you're interested in any of those programs, you can start anytime, onlykindsfitness.com. With that being said, check out my other flip tutorials if you're interested in utilizing this double hand method for any frontward flip. If you're interested in learning any other flips, check out those other flip tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for all your support and positive feedback. Hope you guys all have a great day. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.